Breaker Broke 23. Today in this video, we're going to take a look at the brand new 2023 President Walker 3 FCC AM FM mobile CB radio. This is just a quick video to show you the features of the new 2023 Walker 3 FCC. First of all, this is a DIN-size chassis, so this will fit in the dashboard of some vehicles, whether you have a single DIN or a double DIN. It has that classic CB radio styling with the new surface mount technology inside. We have an analog SRF meter reminiscent of the old Uniden Cobra CB radios. A high output 5-volt USB jack here for charging mobile devices. We have a 6-pin locking microphone connector, volume squelch, RF power control from its lowest to its highest, RF gain, mic gain, rotary channel selector, as well as a push button menu switch. This has the weather channels in it with weather channel alert. So here's your button to activate that. CBPA. We have 2 emergency channels on this. We have emergency 1 and 2. This comes factory set at channel 9 and 19. However, I have this set up for my personal channels. These are programmable. So this will act as a channel A and B for me. We have A&L noise blanker, as well as A&L noise blanker and high cut. Very important feature. Of course, AM FM, because this is all new FCC type accepted AM FM CB radio. We have a scan control button here, and this allows you to put this radio into a scan mode because this radio will scan all 40 channels. It has built-in talkback and Vox for voice operated relay, or basically hands-free type operation. Let's take a look at the back. On the rear of the Walker 3, we have a very nice large heatsink, keeps all the output components nice and cool for longevity. We have our SO239 connector to hook up to the antenna. This is a standard CB antenna connector here. We have a little input jack for a special Vox microphone. We have PA speaker, external speaker jacks. These are 3.5 millimeter mono jacks, however, stereo will work. Down below, we have the Uniden 3-pin, Uniden Cobra President, I should say, 3-pin power connector there, so you can't plug it in wrong. And again, it's DIN style size, and let me show you what that entails. As I said earlier, the Walker 3 is DIN sized, meaning it's about the same size as a standard car stereo. Car stereos, DIN sized car stereos are 7 inches in width, and the President Walker 3 is like 6 9/16. So you might have to put a little shim on each side if you're going to use your Nissan Toyota brackets. But yeah, it'll fit in there just fine. Height is the same. Width is very, very super close. Depth is not a problem, about the same depth as a car stereo. So should be pretty easy to mount if you have a double DIN dashboard. Or, you know, some folks don't have car stereos and they put their CB in place. So anyway, this is so new, I don't really have a price point for it yet. I'll leave links down below as this product is rolled out. So there are no Amazon links to it or anything like that. I'll leave you a link to President USA's website, and you can check it all out and see what other features that it has. Again, the USB output, or the charge port, the USB charge port, is a nice hot, it's rated at 2.1 amps. But I will guarantee you this radio will charge your device in half the time of your old car stereo, or even most factory USB charge ports. So they're doing a really good job with this. Thanks for watching. Please leave questions or comments down below. And if you have not yet subscribed to this channel, please consider doing so. I have a full-length video showing RF output power and more features and how to use the menu on my other channel. And I will leave a link to that channel down below as well. Cheers, everybody.